जो हमने वर्कशॉप लास्ट 3 डेज़ अटेंड किए, इससे हमें काफ़ी अच्छा एक एक्सपोजर मिला है। बहुत सारी चीज़ें हमें पता चली हैं कि हम कैसे उसको कैटर कर सकते हैं अपने डिस्ट्रिक्ट में। और इस स्टडी के बाद जैसे इन्होंने कहा कि प्रॉपर ट्रेनिंग्स और ये चीज़ें कंडक्ट की जाएंगी, जिससे हमारी प्रोफेशनल डेवलपमेंट होगी और हम अच्छे तरीके से अपने डिस्ट्रिक्ट्स में सर्व कर सकेंगे।
The problem with the middle tier education management is that the policies are made at the higher level, and then its implementation is done by the school level. Middle tier is just delivering from the policies from the higher level to the school level.
The middle tier is really vital to improve service delivery at school level. And the reason is because they are based in the local context, and these officials are familiar with the social norms, they're familiar with local problems, and unless we find local solutions to education problems, I don't think we can go very far. And that is why the role of middle tier needs to be understood in that context. I think we need to conceptualize the role of middle tier as policy leaders, as education leaders.
I believe that middle tier is very important, and its importance can hardly be overemphasized for two reasons. Middle tier is the linchpin of the entire system. Middle tier would help manage schools better, can contribute towards learning improvements.
I'm extremely grateful to see that there is enthusiasm around this issue, and from what we've heard today, there were a number of very important findings that show that there are numerous ways that education service delivery can be improved if you apply yourself to solving those bottlenecks that exist at the level of the middle tier. So for example, we heard about this problem of turnover. So that middle tier officers, they only stay for a few months in their position. So obviously, this leads to problems in terms of service delivery and accountability.
I'm glad to hear from different perspectives, particularly some of the key messages, success stories from different provinces. Those are really valuable, which can guide colleagues from different provinces to try to improve the system, and also to ensure that the middle tier manager, they get the expectation clear, and also get empowered to do their work. For this workshop, UNESCO is committed to continue supporting this important topic, how to engage middle tier management to do their work for education quality for all. Middle tier matters.